Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. We apologize for the noise. They're doing construction on the site. But here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. For this machine, we replace the gaskets that are located inside the boiler, same as well. The gaskets are located as well on the steamer valve. They're located around here and here. We replaced those. We did replace the gaskets of the brew boiler, and we also replaced the water pump on this machine, as this water pump was struggling to get water through the entire system. We were able to revive it, but we don't know how long it's going to really last or anything, as it was really struggling while we were trying to get water from the boilers out, and try to refill it as well. So we replaced it with a brand new one. We did a descaling cycle on the machine, draining these boilers 3 times approximately to make sure there was not any scalar inside or anything in there. So yeah, let's test it out. We're grinding the seat settings of this machine. We're using our test coffee. Okay. Dampen perfectly. And there you go, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Looking great. Even though we might not have a lot of crema, since like I say, we are using our test coffee, which is pretty old, and we keep it on a container that is not air sealed tight. We're gonna let the machine do its thing, and as you can see, 2 ounces of liquid approximately. We got a little bit of crema, even though we are using our test coffee, which is pretty old. Looking great. Great flow coming out of the machine. That will be the pre-infusion phase. It takes approximately 8 seconds of pre-infusion of this machine. You can program up to 6 seconds or whatever you want it. Once it does that, as you can see, it will just push with the true pressure of the water pump, and it will extract espresso. As you can see, very nice steady stream coming out of the group head, working great. Hot water working great as well, nice steady stream. And the steamer is already at temperature, so as you can see, definitely steaming, and it's nice steady pressure coming out of this machine, working excellent, working great. It does have the auto function as well, which means you go up, the machine will stop it automatically, and you have also the manual one, which it will continuously do the steam, which is the previous step that we did. We can just go up and down, or we can use the automatic function, where it will just automatically sprout in there, and then once we lift it up, it will automatically stop, and then it will do it automatically inside. So yeah, nice espresso machine working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for your payment Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.